Hi everyone, Kevin and I are fixing to start a little remodel. We actually did a remodel a while back in here in the kitchen, did a few things, and we replaced 4-inch baseboards with 6-inch baseboards on a big majority of this side of the house. And one day while he was at work and I was here, I took those baseboards because I had a new planer and I ran them through there, and I ended up making a bay window seat unbeknownst to Kevin. And apparently my measuring skills lack accounting for the finished layer of wood that I was using. My frame in here is probably perfectly fine to cover with the thin sheet of, like 3/8 inch siding that we could paint and make it all fancy. But just because I have the bay window, I had always wanted a seat, and I did use it for storage. Well, now we have a hump in our floor. We have the Allure vinyl plank flooring that glues together on two ends. I mean, it sticks together once it's stuck. It's not coming apart. It's really, really good flooring, real durable. We love it. We love it. Well, in the laundry room, we had a washing machine overflow when we were gone. We come home and there was water everywhere. Well, we cleaned up in the laundry room. Well, unbeknownst to us, it had gone under the wall, under the flooring, and because it's a floating floor, and it floated over here and it sat underneath this floor here, and the floor now has a rise in it, a little bit of swelling. Well, we had the same issues in our bedroom from dogs urinating over the years. We had to strip it down, sand it down, paint it, and then we recovered it with wood. But this right here, we have, I think, 5 boxes of this flooring. We were going to use it in our guest bathroom and guest hallway, and we may still, but underneath this it is not floored, and I need to paint this area because my cat lived here and I crafted here at this table, and I've got paint everywhere and it needs sprucing up. A friend of ours accidentally rolled the ceiling. He was helping roll the ceiling in the bedroom that we redid. And so I had a farmhouse white, and he put a regular, like, bright white. It's not really bright, but you can tell the difference. So it all needs doing, and we've been in here, it'll be 22 years. 22 years this month. And we have done updates, and we need to stay updated. We still have 2 bathrooms we have to do, and we have a lot of work in the bathrooms to do. And so this is just something that be pretty easy to tear out. We're not going to build it back. We're not going to modify it. It's gone because it really takes up a lot of room. I keep my table, it's an oval table, I keep it down to a round. And if I got rid of it, I could put it back out to the oval. I have chairs stuck all over this house because that took away the placement for my chairs. I wasn't even thinking. And keeping cushions for it and keeping the cat off of it was impossible. Cushions are too expensive. We're over it. And anyway, I built it so high that you feel, you're sitting there, his legs touch, but my legs don't touch the floor because I built it so high. Kevin was like, oh yeah, and you can't hardly fit under the table. So it's gone. It's gone. But this is something we're fixing to start, and we're going to let y'all see what you think. It'll be done in a couple of phases because I'm still I just got a boot today, and I haven't really walked on it yet, but I'm fixing to be on this floor working. So we're going to do this probably in a couple of different episodes. So follow along with us, y'all. We'll see how it goes. see, I actually, when I built it, I covered up 2 plug-ins. I have really missed those plug-ins. And you can see how dirty the wall was. And it was actually, it's a green. You can't tell it's green. It looks brown. But it was a beautiful green. Look at how the wall is soaking up.
My countertop's redone. I got my big butcher block middle island, which I love, but the countertops on the sides need to be redone. It was in the trash